In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the first date of the month in Excel. This is a quick, reliable way to turn any date into the very first day of its month, which is especially handy for reporting, grouping, or building monthly summaries. All you need is a date somewhere in your worksheet and a cell where you want the result to appear. Start by clicking the cell where you want to display the first day of the month. It can be right next to your original date, on another sheet, or anywhere that makes sense in your layout. Selecting the destination cell first keeps things organized, especially if you plan to copy the formula down a list later. Now type the formula. Enter equals EOMONTH, open parenthesis, your date cell, comma, -1, close parenthesis, +1. Written out, it looks like this. E6 EOMONTH, your date cell, 1, +1. Replace your date cell with the actual cell reference that contains the date, like A2. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. EOMONTH stands for end of month. It returns the last day of a month, offset by a number of months you specify. By using -1 as the offset, you ask Excel for the last day of the previous month. Then, by adding 1, you move forward to the first day of the current month. It's simple, robust, and works regardless of the day your original date falls on. Once the formula is in place, press Enter. You should see the first day of that month as a proper date. If a number appears instead, that just means the cell is formatted as general or number. To fix it, apply a date format, such as short date or long date, so the result looks the way you expect. The underlying value is already correct. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. If you entered the formula next to a column of dates, you can fill it down to process the entire list in one go. If your workbook uses regional date settings, the display may vary, but the calculation remains the same. And because EOMONTH is a built-in function in modern versions of Excel, it works on Windows, Mac, and Excel for the web without any add-ins. That's all there is to it. Click the cell, type ESAS EOMONTH, your date cell, +1, and press Enter. You now have a clean, consistent first of the month value ready for pivot tables, charts, and monthly analyses.